push her out.
Oh.
Good job. Oh. There you go.
Can you get a picture on my phone?
Good job, baby. Here, is it breathing?
Not yet.
Here.
Just wait. Just wait.
Good job. Good job.
Uh-oh.
It's breathing. Rub, rub, rub. Good
I
job.
will. It ain't all out yet.
Good job, Lace.
Oh, she's coughing.
She's still pushing. She might have another one.
Well, she might. That was the worst one.
Good job, baby. Good job. Oh my God, it's huge.
I just got that on video.
No, it's
Did you really? Do a video.
What do we got? A boy or a girl?
I don't know.
I don't know how.
It's a girl.
It's a girl.
You got a girl.
Where's my phone?
Good girl,
I
Lacey.
know it's so hard.
Good. Then.
We just had a baby.
I guess you did. I said if Rich was here, he would have had his arm way up all the way to here.
Has he done it before?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, look at her.
She's got a real black nose. Look at that face.
Oh,
She's beautiful.
Oh, yeah.
You should name.
that might be the one you have to keep.
You should name her Easter.
Easter. We'll
Yep.
keep her.
Look at, isn't that a miracle?
Yay.
Easter.
Good job.
Oh, she knows just what to do. Isn't Mother Nature great?
Am I in your way?
God is amazing.
Yeah.
Look at her shaking her head off. Do they stand right up?
Soon.
Yeah.
If they don't, it's bad.
She's trying. Look at, she's trying to get up already. Here I am,
Lace,
world.
you did so good.
So only one?
Don't know. She might have. It looks like she might have another one in there.
She's got a beautiful face. Pure white.
She is beautiful.
Pure white.
Look at her.
Oh, she's still
big.
running with blood.
Yeah. She might have another.
It's hard to believe that whole thing was inside her, isn't it?
Good job.
Hard to believe it all has to come out.
You can probably come in now.
No. Oh, she's trying to get up.